If you've ever wanted to keep all your event details in one place, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to attach documents to a Google Calendar event quickly and easily. This is super useful for meetings, presentations, client calls, school projects, team events, and anything else where you want your file attached right alongside the calendar invite. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a document from Google Drive to an event in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and sign into the Google account that you use for your calendar. Once you're inside, take a look at your calendar and decide whether you want to attach a document to an existing event or create a brand new one. If you already have an event set up, click on that event to open the details, then select the Edit Pencil icon. That will take you into the event editing screen where you can make changes. If you're starting from scratch, click Create to begin a new calendar event. Now, if you clicked Create, a small pop-up box will appear first. At the bottom of that box, click More Options so you can open the full event editor. This gives you access to all the event settings, including the place where you can add files and supporting documents. Once you're in the full event editor, look for the description box. This is where Google Calendar lets you add extra information to your event. Inside that area, you'll see a Google Drive icon. Click that icon to attach your document from Drive. Google will now show you your available files, folders, or recent documents. Browse through your Drive and choose the document you want to attach. This could be a PDF, a meeting agenda, a presentation, a worksheet, a report, or any other file stored in your Google Drive. After you've selected the right document, click Insert. That adds the file to the event so anyone with access to the calendar invite can view it. This is especially helpful if you're sending out meeting materials ahead of time or making sure everyone has the same file before the event starts. Before finishing, double-check the event details to make sure everything looks correct. Confirm the date, time, title, and attached file are all in place. When you're ready, click Save. If this is an event you're sharing with other people, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to send updates to guests. Choose the option that fits your situation and then confirm the save. And that's it. You've successfully attached a document to a Google Calendar event. It's a simple feature, but it can make your schedule much more organized and professional. Whether you're planning a meeting, class, or project deadline, attaching the right file helps keep everything connected in one place. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step Google tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more calendar and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.